Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. I'll tell you what, we're going to show you an example today of what you always thought the T-tops and glass tops in cars was common back in, in the 80s, 90s and whatever. Ford had it in 1955. Tell you more details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars, trucks, resto mods, street rods, all in one location right here in Rogers. Take a look at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com for our latest additions, specials, and things of that sort. It's all right there. But today I'm going to tell you about our latest addition, a 1955 Ford Crown Victoria, except it has the optional glass top. When I said that people didn't realize that they actually had these in 1955, 54 was the first year, but this is a 55, that it was really, really something special. They made 1,999 of them. You're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish. We're going to have a cold start, nice walk around, more details. Stay to the end. You'll see all the interesting things and features of this particular car. But this is a really, really pristine example. Probably one of the finest I've had in 29 years. For a 1955 Ford, it's its original color, has the correct original interior. It's a 272 V8 with power steering. I mean, it's got the right hubcaps. The chrome is impeccable. It's just one of those cars that is just really, really outstanding. If you're looking for something to add to your collection that's really special, we've got it right here at Ellingson's. You can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Hey, leave us a comment, give us a like, a subscribe. We would really enjoy that because you're going to find interesting stories of cars we've had, the newest ones, some of the stuff in the past. Just fun to watch, fun to look at. But no, you take a look at the interior on this car, absolutely. Well, I just can't get over how nice this car is. Not that we don't have nice cars here, but this one really is one in the top line right here. It's even got an original radio. Everything was so nice. It's not been messed with. Has a Ford Kleenex box dispenser underneath. So, I mean, it is about as good as you get. Dual exhaust, got the special antenna, Continental Kit as well. So it is really loaded with all the good stuff. And again, the glass top has the inside zippered thing that keeps it from getting too hot, because this car, air conditioning was not really even an option in 1955 for Fords. But I mean, it is just really, I've never seen one of those. That was kind of special when I seen that myself. But you can come and take a look at this and all of our inventory in person if you so desire. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, open on Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. We'd love to have you come and take a look. If you need a Ford to add into your collection, you want one of the best in the country at any one given time, we've got it right here at Ellingson's. Come and take a look. Love to tell you more all about it.